Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Barc'z Gundam Collection. My name is Tinette. For today's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys the tools that I'm using whenever I'm building a Gundam. Before we start our vlog for today, I want to say thank you for all the people who subscribe to my channel, especially to Castillo family, Nales and Guerrero family. My co-employees there in ICOR, thank you so much for your support. And to my batchmates in high school, thank you guys. Special mention to Rov, Carlo, Dons, Brian, Ina, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my video, click the red button below. Like and share will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. So let's start. Basically, these are the tools that I usually use whenever I'm building a Gundam. So we have here a brush, a scraper. See that? This is a scraper. A craft knife. See? This is a craft knife. A tweezers. Here. Tweezers. I also have a cutter. This one. A spare blade. A spare blade for the craft knife. These are all a sandpaper. See? Sandpapers. Cloth. This is a cloth. Later on, I'll explain how these are being used. Same time, a toothpick. And last but not the least, color pens there. So I rarely use this because just to let you know, guys, whenever I am building a new Gundam, I only have 2 to 4 hours spare time per day. 2 hours if I have work, and 4 hours every weekends. So building one Gundam took me 1 week before I finish it. So for me to remove those dirt or dust, I have to use brush to clean it. We have here a scraper. So this is actually a multi-purpose scraper. But anyways, I'm only using this if I forgot something inside the part itself. So just an example, if the leg of this Gundam, so this is the knee part, right? So there is a part in there that you have to place to make it flexible or for you to move it. Now, if I forgot to put it in, I have to use a scraper for me to detach it again, to detach or disassemble again the leg part, for me to put in the specific part that I forgot. Next, we have here the cutter. So Gundam builders, I think this is the only stuff that you will not miss. There you go. There. So that's how I do it. The next one that we have here, of course, we should have a spare blades for the craft knife and a toothpick. There.